Sadhu Pranam. Hello, how are you? I know you are fine, like me. Today my friend Paheli so irritated me and I said, Paheli, please let me go. I want to take my class. This is my class time. So after that she little bit angry. Don't worry, I can handle. Let's start today's chapter. Chapter number 2 topic is components of food. In last chapter we made list of food. You remember that? Okay. Last chapter we made list of the food items that we eat. In my list I am telling you what is in my list. Curry, vegetable pulao, kheer, chapati, etc. etc. And what is in your list? A meal have at least one item which made of some grains like wheat, rice, corn, etc. And other item could be pickle, buttermilk, sauce, curd, dal, meat, etc. You know the beauty of India. The beauty of India is diversity. If you go any other state of India, you saw that some food specialty there. So let's make a table which based on some common meal of different regions. This is your activity table. So we make table with some parts. Number 1 part is region or state. Number 2 part item of grains. Number 3 item of dal or meat. Next vegetable and other last portion. First state is Punjab. Item of grain is makki or corn, roti or chapati. Item of dal or meat is rajma. Rajma also known as kidney bean. Vegetable sarson ka saag and other curd, ghee, butter, etc. Andhra Pradesh rice, dal, तुअर दाल एंड रसम. वेजिटेबल में कुंदरू और अदर्स, बटर मिल्क, घी एंड पिकल्स ऑल्सो. राजस्थान wheat एंड मूंग दाल, चना. गुजरात आइटम ऑफ दाल बेसन. महाराष्ट्र wheat, बेसन, पोटैटो एंड सॉस. इन बिहार wheat, चना, टोमेटो. In Bengal, rice, fish, and in Tamil Nadu, rice, potato and sambar. This is the very short list about other states of India. So you have to add your state in this list also. You know why we need food? Because food contains some ingredients and these ingredients contain some components which needed by our body. These needed components called nutrients. What is nutrients? The nutrients are needed components, okay, which is needed by our body. A nutritious food contain carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals and water also. Let's do some test. These tests for presence of carbohydrate, protein, fats. For test what we need and how I conclude my result. For these tests we need solution of iodine, copper sulfate and caustic soda. Iodine's formula is I2, copper sulfate is CuSO4 and caustic soda NaOH. Firstly we test carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are of many types. The main carbohydrates found or in our food are in the form of starch and sugar, in especially our food. Okay, we use iodine solution for carbohydrate test. How can we prepare iodine solution for carbohydrate test or testing carbohydrate? For that, a dilute solution of iodine can be prepared by adding a few drops of tincture iodine to a test tube half filled with water. For experiment, we can pick any food item like bread, any other Here I take potato. I cut in 2 pieces and put 2-3 drops of dilute iodine solution on it. If food or potato color change in blue black, it means starch is present in it, or chosen food item which you choose. Let's test for protein. Oh, I want to know that what food I eat, it has protein. So let's test. For this testing, copper sulfate solution can be prepared by dissolving 2 gram of copper sulfate in 100 ml of water in test tube. Take small quantity of food in test tube and adding 10 drops of water and shake it. Shak, 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 shak. Now add 2 drops of solution of copper sulfate and 10 drops of caustic soda. Shake well again. Shak, 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 shak. If it turn into violet color, that means it indicates presence of protein in food item. Okay, let's test for fats. Take any food item in a paper and crush it. Now straighten that paper. Did you see any patch? Can you see light through this patch? Yes, you can see light through this patch because it's oil patch. Oil patch on paper shows that the food item contains fat. Instead of carbohydrate, protein and fats, there are also other nutrients like vitamins and minerals. Why do we need these nutrients? Oh, this is a major question. Carbohydrate provides us energy, so we needed carbohydrates. Fats also, give us so much energy. But is it comparatively, in the comparison of same quantity of carbohydrate and fat, fat give us more energy in the comparison of carbohydrate. Which food contain both fats and carbohydrate? Called energy giving food. This is the major question. Which food known as energy giving food? Which food contains both fats and carbohydrate? Protein needed for the growth and repair of our body. Protein is food also called body building food. Another a good question. Which food known as bodybuilding food? Proteinous food also known as bodybuilding food. You know, in a gym which person doing much more exercises, they eat much more protein. Okay, now telling about vitamins. Vitamins keep us healthy. Vitamins keeping our eyes, bones, teeth, gums. These all are become healthy with the help of vitamins. Vitamins also protecting us against disease. Oh, name of some vitamins are vitamins A. Keeps skin and eyes healthy. Vitamin C helps body to fight against many disease. You know, nowadays in pandemic era, we should include vitamin C in our food. It's necessary. Vitamin C found in sour fruits like orange, lemon, etc. Now vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. You know that our body also prepare vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Nowadays insufficient exposure of sunlight is causing vitamin D deficiency in many people. We had know that vitamins are necessary for our health, but minerals also essential for growth and maintain good health. No, minerals are needed by our body in small amounts like iodine, calcium, phosphorus, iron are some essential minerals which is needed by our body. Let's know the source of these minerals. First is iodine. Iodine source are milk, iodized salt, fish, seaweed and egg. Now second, calcium. Sources are milk, cheese, dairy food. green leafy vegetables. Phosphorus sources are nuts, beans, poultry, etc. Iron, which is very essential for our body because iron made our hemoglobin or maintain hemoglobin in our body. The source of iron are meat, poultry, fish, beans, fruits or dried fruits and spinach. Spinach is rich source of iron. Besides these nutrients, our body needs dietary fibers. Dietary fibers known as roughage. This is a good question. What are roughage? Roughage are pulses, fresh fruits, potatoes and vegetables are main source of roughage. So we can say in short that roughage only provided by plants. Oh, Paheli, again you disturbing me. Oh, Paheli, what are you asking? I am asking, does roughage provide any nutrient to our body? No, Paheli, but it is a good question. No, Paheli, roughage does not provide any nutrient, but it is essential component for our body. This helps our body to get rid of undigested food. So, roughage is essential. Water is also essential for our body because water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. It helps in throwing waste from body in form of urine and sweating. So water also needed our body. This is the main topic of today. Here I am giving some exercise on the basis of today's class. So I hope you do well that exercise. Bye bye. Next topic will be dietary food. Bye bye. Take care.